Good morning to you guys from Manila, Philippines. It's just about 10 o'clock in the morning here on Sunday morning, talking about paying the price, talking about going that extra mile. Here I am on Sunday, and we're just getting ready for tons of meetings, one-on-ones and corporate meetings and executive meetings on a Sunday. And I'm here in my suite getting ready for those meetings. You know, it's very important to understand that and be able to accept when you see someone, you come across someone that is successful, often you got to go back to see the amount of price they paid, what they paid. You're just looking at the end result today or whenever you meet that person, but you really need to look into what the price they paid. And I've been doing this for 20 some years. Here is still at age 45, and I don't really need to do this for money, but I do it because I'm passionate, I love it, and that's a price you pay to get to that next level in your life. Whatever level you are, making extra $500 a month, $5,000 a month, or $5 million, whatever that is, you gotta pay the price. Those movie nights, those bowling nights, getting together, watching all the shows, and thinking on Tuesday what you're gonna do on Thursday and weekend ain't gonna get you to where you wanna be. I really mean that. So here I am again, once again, back in Asia, trip that probably about 30,000 miles combined in a span of 5 days. And I left US on Tuesday, and here today, Sunday. I've already covered 3 countries, and I gotta do one more country tomorrow and then back to US. That's a life, that's a price you pay. Regardless if it's Sunday, Saturday night, it's a Super Bowl weekend, and we talk about Super Bowl, and I know it's a lot of you are a fan of that, but it's that extra mile you go, the extra step you take. Guess what? There will be a Super Bowl next year. There'll be another NBA and baseball, and a movie will be around next week and next month and next year. But the time you have, it's now. The price you have to pay is right now, so you and your kids and your grandchildren don't have to worry about paying that price. And it's getting tougher and tougher and tougher. And it's a lot easier to pay the price in a short span of 3 to 4 years, do what others are not willing to do in order to have what others only dream of. 4 years, that's what I always talk about. 4 years, paying the price, it'll be unbelievable what you can accomplish. Okay, guys, have a wonderful, I know back home is Saturday now. Enjoy your evening, enjoy your weekend, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow when I get back. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye, guys.